What's up, people? It's your boy CJB 11 today here, giving you guys another adventure. I am in Clarendon, Sanguinetti. I think a Sanguinetti pronounced in Clarendon. Yo, that place is far, I swear. This was like a 4-hour drive to find here. Only per wrong turn back at that, but yeah, we're going to a river slash waterfall in the area. So guys, stay tuned for this vlog. So yeah, guys, I am in Sanguinetti. Probably the first ever heard about that place. God, the first me ever heard about that place or either in Clarendon. We're there still, me and a group of us, doing this tour with what are they called again? Exploring JA. Yeah, me leave them IG in the description. Yeah, Exploring JA. I was saying the drive was 4 hours long with one heap of wrong turn back at that. So yeah, we took a good amount of wrong turns. But that's the thing goes still, you know? It's all a part of the adventure, the experience. Although me get miserable along the way, but hey. Oh, reach. Bread. And that's a group over there. The name of this river, well, I think Mark's on the look as them. The river have a name, bossy? Yeah, not even hear me. One of the other locals them said this must be named Cliff River, something like that. I'm not 100% that still, but but for now, me go and work with Sanguinetti River, yeah. So, just a local juvenile a while ago, and even though you can't see me now, so see me right here, so you just jump out of the water. He's saying that this is real, you know, and I think actually water, yeah. He says it runs straight to Frankfield. See me, mischievous. Okay. What real mean again in Spanish? You know real means river, you know. I guess me need to find that out later. But yeah, I'll give you guys a walkthrough of this little river. Yeah. The a cave? Where? Under the water bottom? A cave? Show me. Which part?
We're falling there.
Oh, right here, so? Yes. It's a big cave or a little cave? Oh, look a cave. Okay. So, I saw the river normally stay? I saw the river normally stay? So, in a run other than this?
Yes. Run other, you will come down.
Yeah. So, that part here deep? That's so deep? Yeah. Well, I can't swim, so I can't go there at all. Look, Mr. Say, you just don't do your thing, man. What is? One look cave something? Where you show me in here, so? Yeah. Okay. So this is one look cave. Okay. Mini cave. Listen.
In the really fall, people hook and you can lie down under the rain fall.
I lie down?
Yeah, when the rain fall.
It look nice still. A nice little spot. Oh yeah man, it's a volley for shelter here, so. Okay. I'm going for this car. I want to get the river. Alright, get a better shot at this river. Yeah, what one party? So, in a fish and anything there? Okay. You were supposed to run hard when you didn't fall this man. Nobody can go in the water. How far it reach? Up here so? Reach up here so? Wait, when rain fall, river. Ah yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I say. Okay. I want to give more information about the place now. I want to know all about the place, man. One of the tour guide for today. Marcadine and Michael people, them know everything. Oh, stone where you can go up on the main? I'm going to go over here, sir. Yo, me know. You can go up under there? Wall? What the wall bring over? So it's like a little cave this too. Yeah. So you're not chuck up or go on? Chuck up for yourself? Yeah, too. So that there's the crew behind me, the crew I'm coming on the trip with. And I know why they're not going on the water. Them look on the water. I think I'm going to join them. Jump on the flats, you know. Yeah, say hi to the vlog creator, Miss Rochelle. Stress out like whoa.
I need a shot. Anything.
Well, you have the rum punch in there, so you can take one.
Yeah, I'll take two.
Yes. Jamaican traveler, you're not gonna want to eat all one. Realize. So the one crew there take them shots, them snaps and such. Put them jumping at the water. And I get in the video, getting my own shots before I'm going at the water. Woo. Well, I guess that should be enough shots of the river. Now to go back to that waterfall. I don't know. I should go in the waterfall, but I don't feel like going in the waterfall. But for the purpose of the vlog, I must go in the waterfall. So it's changing time. Man, come on. Yeah, I'm fling in there. Push it down there. Push it down there. So that was a small dip. And that small dip is enough. Ready to move on out of here. Or reach a late. I don't have a lot of road to cover. Going back. Oh, see, Taylor. I am CJB Adventure. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Tell me your name, man. Lamande. Alright. So, I met a fellow vlogger just now. It says this channel's name is Lamande, something like that. Me search him still. Yeah, in the show him some with the gimbal, he might ask, oh, I'm a channel. And it's a Ray. And he says he does a similar thing to what I'm doing. That's good, that's very nice. But yeah, right, I don't want to go back on the flats to get some food. I'm hungry. You know what them people are waiting on. Well, we're back at the bus right there. The crew will get try to see if they can get some food around that local stall here. So that man there sell chicken for $3.50. We don't know if a chicken alone or chicken and rice. Yourself hungry to some might go for the soon. But yeah, like every other place with a river and waterfall that I went to, this one was no different. Water was cold, cool, nice, refreshing, all of that jazz. What we can say was the highlight of this. Not much really, just same old, same old. But you can say one more waterfall down on the list. And so many more to go. But that's pretty much it for this vlog, guys. CJB 11th Euro is out.